Down to your knees, the set of misery loves company. It's not your fault to ruin everything, and it's not your fault to give me what you need, baby. Angels like you can fly down here with me. Never did I would've. Say cheese, uncle. Say cheese. Something. Never finding a way. Before long, there ways away. I found you. Something told me to say. I give in to selfish way, and now I miss someone when hope begins to fade. Alright, thank you for watching my vlog and for your thoughts, and leave comment in my channel. Thank you very much. I love you all. Now that I try to talk to you and make you understand, all you have to do is close your eyes and just reach out your hands and touch me, hold me close, don't ever let me go. More than words is all I ever needed you to show. Then you won't have to say that you love me, 'cause I know already. If my heart was more than words to show you feel that your love for me is real. If I took these words away, then you couldn't make things new. Sir. Please guys, support me until the end. Thank you. Baby, whisper word to wisdom, let it be. And when the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine on till tomorrow, let it be. Wake up to the sound of music, modern memory comes to